Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Samina Akhter, Assistant Teacher of English of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a class for the students of class 2 and the subject is English language. And our topic is lesson 12, exercise 2 and revision paper 2 exercise 4. Okay, and this is the topic from the annual term, and this is your lecture number 9, SW number 9. Okay, this is my mobile number. Okay, so this lesson 12 is about adverbs. So before we go to the exercise, let me remind you about adverbs. Adverbs are words that tell us more about action words. They tell us about how the actions are done. So let us see the exercise now. So first, lesson 12, adverbs. Exercise 2. Look at the adjectives in color and complete these sentences with the correct adverbs. So look here, I have written some colorful words here in red color. So we have to make them, these are adjectives and we have to turn them into adverbs. So look, number 1, Joanne is happy. She is smiling happily. Okay, we have added ly with happy and made it adverb. So number 2, the boy is loud. He shouts loudly. Okay, so let's write here loudly, loudly. Okay, so this is the adverb. Usually we add ly to make an adjective into adverb. Mother was angry. She spoke to us angrily. Okay, to make this word adverb, we have to write like this, R-I-L-Y. Okay, when the word ends with Y, we have to omit the Y and write I-L-Y. Okay. Jim is a wonderful piano player. He plays the piano wonderfully. W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L-L-Y. Here you have to write double L. The kitten was hungry. Okay, it drank the milk hungrily. Similarly, we have to omit the Y here and write I-L-Y. Jasmine was sad. She looked at us sadly. Then number 7, Munira likes to be neat. She folds the sheets neatly. N-E-A-T-L-Y. Okay. The children were careful. They crossed the road carefully. Again, you have to add double L. Okay. So let's repeat the sentences. Number 1, Joanne is happy. She is smiling happily. Number 2, the boy is loud. He shouts loudly. Number 3, mother was angry. She spoke to us angrily. Number 4, Jim is a wonderful piano player. He plays the piano wonderfully. Number 5, the kitten was hungry. It drank the milk hungrily. Jasmine was sad. She looked at us sadly. Number 7, Munira likes to be neat. She folds the sheets neatly. Okay. Number 8. The children were careful. They crossed the road carefully. Okay. So these are the exercise number 2 from lesson 12. Now let's go to the next exercise, which is in the revision paper 2 in page 56. Okay, page number 56 you will find this exercise. Exercise number 4. Complete these sentences with adverbs from the box. Okay, there are some adverbs here in the box and we will fill in the blanks and complete these sentences with these words. So number 1. The children played happily all day. Okay, happily. So this word goes with this sentence. The children played happily all day. Number 2. The watchman knocked on the door softly. Softly. Okay, not too loudly, softly. The watchman knocked on the door softly. Number 3. The lion roared loudly in the cave. Here you can see loudly. Okay, so the lion roared loudly in the cave. Number 4. Tejal carried the box dash up the stairs. Here we will write carefully. Tejal carried the box carefully up the stairs. Okay, so number 5. My brother finished his homework quickly. So, my brother finished his homework quickly. So, these are all adverbs: happily, softly, loudly, carefully, quickly, and they are used to complete these sentences. So, you have to remember that this exercise 2 is your HW. So, students, I hope you have found these exercises helpful and you have understood the lesson well. So, this is it for today. See you in the next class.